saying, see, where's the normal thing? Because usually when you walk in, yeah. For some reason I can't.
They got it decorated.
Oh, there it is. So that's the normal walkway over there. Yeah, I wish they would have put Santa sleigh up there like they did last year. So I guess this tent up here is going to be the temperature check and health screen. Oh, here we go. I didn't really want to record going through the security check. Oh, that's normal though. The security gate was the only thing that they've ever done normal. Yeah, she did the 52 inch. Yeah. All right, move. Let the other ones go. 44. If we've done one, we've done both of them pretty much.
Alright, that's good.
Alright, move out the way. Good job. Alright, Keely, I think you're up here. Yep, you can ride anything you want. That's right. So here we are at Carowinds in 2020, first day that it's open. You can't remember. Elena's having fun. Ava's not having so much fun.
She has an attitude.
Okay. It's alright. Anyway, we're sitting here in front of Copperhead Strike. Shayna and my other daughter are riding in, so we figured we'd take a minute to tell you how opening day's been. All we've done pretty much is Planet Snoopy. Our car broke down getting here, so we haven't had much time to explore the park. We, like I said, started at Planet Snoopy. All the precautions that they're taking for COVID-19 are spectacular, really. I mean, you got to do what you got to do these days. The only downside to it is not really any line here due to the capacity that they allowed in. But even with no line, we're averaging roughly 30 minutes wait per ride. So 2 kiddie rides over in Planet Snoopy and you're looking at an hour already. So now we're just chilling, hanging out, like I said. Shayna sent me a picture from back there in the queue line for Copperhead and said that it's not too bad. So I don't think many of the thriller rides are really packed out. The only 2 thriller rides they have open are Copperhead Strike and Afterburn. So it's not really that great of an experience if you're just an adult coming to ride rides. If you're bringing your kids, for sure, that'd be fun. But the Christmas decorations are all out. It's really pretty walking through here. They're not doing the parade, I don't believe. At least I haven't heard. Like I said, we didn't get here till 5:30. But yeah, so Elena, do you have anything else to add? Okay, so she's still just a scaredy cat. Hey look, there goes Santa Claus. Yep, so there goes Santa. Well, we're gonna go walk around some more once they get off of Copperhead, but I appreciate everyone watching this video. Sorry that it didn't turn out better. We weren't here much in the daytime, so anyway, have a good evening. Thanks for watching again. So how was Copperhead Strike?
Awesome!
Oh, how was it?
Yeah. We screamed the whole time.
Oh yeah?
That's the part of Christmas.
There's a tasting station. They had more decorations last year. I guess they figured since they're not expecting that big of a crowd. they're finally sanitizing. I mean, maybe it's been like this all day. I don't know.
Well, them balloon rides done to about like 3 times since we've been in.
Yeah, the balloon rides have went several times, haven't they?
Everybody's playing 'cause school's out, celebrating the